This travel case goes perfectly with the Rift S as if it had been designed by the same team. It looks like a quality, attractive and functional product. I only wish they had included extra features for cable management when the device is put away, and included holders for the controllers, video connection adapter as well as extra batteries. My son used to leave his Oculus laying around cords everywhere. Just waiting for the cats to chew on it and ruin it, I purchased this case. It is very sturdy, nice and velvety on the inside, and it fits the Oculus perfectly. Even comes with a carrying strap if you were taking it somewhere. Needed a case for my Oculus and it fits perfectly. I purchased it hoping it would fit the Valve Index VR headset. Sadly it doesn't, but the case is very well made and worth the money. I'll be keeping it anyway to use for other things. Came in excellent condition to hold my Oculus Rift S. Heavy duty case. Very sturdy and protects my investment. This case is a perfect fitted case for the Oculus Rift S. I love how sturdy it is and how well it holds the Oculus Rift S. You get exactly what you expect out of this one. Case is rigid and good quality. Wish there was a little bit of padding on the underside of the lid, but it keeps my headset and touch controllers snug when it's closed. There's enough room in the side compartment to store some lens clothes and my game controller. Shipped quickly in good condition. Overall good value. I was looking for a case to put away my Rift S, and this product server. The only thing keeping me away from a 5-star is there's no indication for which side should go up when opening the headset. Sometimes when I try to open, the case would be upside down and everything would fall out. Nonetheless, having spots for the headset and controllers are very helpful. I wanted the least expensive, rigid, no-frills carrying case for my Oculus Rift S, because I'd felt I'd spent enough money already with its moderately extensive stock cabling and, 2, Oculus Touch hand controllers, so I purchased the cheapest one I could find. What I received was exactly what I ordered. However, as it turns out, this case is just as good as cases priced twice, thrice or even more times what I paid for this one. It's rigid, super lightweight, well constructed, with quality zippers too, and convenient carrying handle. Plenty of room for all pieces mentioned to accommodate a snug, but no rattle fit. Although there's no extra room for anything else, by design it certainly doesn't need the foam rubber to address the open, unused interior spaces, therefore preventing damage if it were to be dropped or similar accident. Perfect carrying case for moving the Oculus Rift S and its peripherals around town or abroad. Small enough to easily fit into an overhead storage compartment or under a seat as a carry-on item on an airliner. And although I wouldn't recommend checking it like larger bags at an airport, it's small enough to fit nicely into a mid-sized carry-on, or the larger checked suitcases. Click link in description for more reviews.